Step 1. Scan the back of your phone. Using any scanner, scan the back of the phone you want to customize. Then, save it as an image format on your computer. Step 2. Using Microsoft PowerPoint, trace the outline of the phone along with the camera, flash and logo if included. Use shapes to do this. I used the rounded rectangle which I manipulated to fit the phone. Also check the sizing of the scanned image first if it's the same as the actual phone. You might want to resize it if your scanner somehow reduces the image's actual size like mine did. Step 3. Now for the fun part of the custom, which is adding on designs of your choice. You can add pictures you took or found in the internet, or just make custom characters on PowerPoint like what I'm doing.
I get the bag and I gotta flip it. Shorty all love me, I tell her she trippin'. I get the top, you know that I'm dipping. Fuck all the bullshit, I just want the millions, ayy. Ayy, say fuck all the bullshit, I just want the millions, ayy. Ayy. I get the bag and I gotta flip it. Shorty all love me, I tell her she trippin'. I get the top, you know that I'm dipping. Fuck all the bullshit, I just want the millions, ayy. Ayy, say fuck all the bullshit, I just want the millions, ayy. Ayy. Shorty on me, she keep feeling my body. Thought it was a dick, she grabbing her tummy. Dick in her gut, she calling me Poppy. Spanish mommy shaking ass in a party. Yeah, she a freak, she riding me Harley. Got a breeze, I don't tell her bitch sorry. Got the keys, so I'm copping the Mozzie. Ayy, ayy. These thotties, we cannot get rid of them. Leeching bitches, I swear that I'm sick of them. Always asking me when I'ma get with them. Popping bottles, I know that they sick of us. We up next and there ain't no debating that. If I like it, you know that I'm taking that. Niggas trash, I swear that they know they whack. Smack her ass the way that she throw it back. Henny my therapy, tell me what's next. Open my phone and that shit full of text. She hollering Rex, so you know you the best. I know that she frontin', I don't need to stress. Don't know where I'm headed, little bitch, I can guess. Straight to the top, you know how you rock. We gon' keep going, we never gon' stop. Don't come around if you a op. My niggas don't play, we peeling your top. You tucking your tacos, Rex or the honcho. You know how we coming, big clip full of hollows. Lot of money, know my niggas is not broke gang. I gotta flip it. Shorty all love me, I tell her she trippin'. I get the top, you know that I'm dipping. Fuck all the bullshit, I just want the millions, ayy. Ayy, say fuck all the bullshit, I just want the millions, ayy. Ayy. I get the bag and I gotta flip it. Shorty all love me, I tell her she trippin'. I get the top, you know that I'm dipping. Fuck all the bullshit, I just want the millions, ayy. Ayy, say fuck all the bullshit, I just want the millions, ayy. Ayy.
It's printing time. I printed out my custom back cover art on a piece of glossy photo paper. You can use regular paper, or if you're feeling fancy, on a sheet of decal paper. Step 5. Take out your cutting equipment of choice and simply cut out the design. Easy. Finally, you can place your design at the back of your phone and cover it with a transparent case for protection.